The crankshaft sensor is an important component of a car's engine management system. It is responsible for providing the engine control module, ECM, with information about the position and speed of the crankshaft, which allows the ECM to control the ignition timing and fuel injection timing. The crankshaft sensor works by using a magnetic field to detect the rotation of the crankshaft. The sensor contains a magnet and a coil of wire. As the crankshaft rotates, the teeth on the crankshaft's relictor wheel pass by the magnet and create a magnetic field that induces a voltage in the coil of wire. The voltage generated by the coil is then sent to the ECM, which uses the signal to determine the position and speed of the crankshaft. There are two types of crankshaft sensors, magnetic and Hall effect. Magnetic sensors use a magnet to detect the relictor wheel, while Hall effect sensors use a semiconductor device to detect the magnetic field changes. In summary, the crankshaft sensor plays an important role in the engine management system of a car by providing information about the position and speed of the crankshaft. This information is used by the ECM to control the ignition and fuel injection timing, which helps to ensure that the engine runs smoothly and efficiently.